Suppose Sherry filters the reaction products from B and collects a greater mass of solid than calculated in B. Provide a reasonable explanation for this additional mass. So if we look at the setup, we've got the solid in the top in our filter, and below we have the filtrate, which is the leftover solution, with the aqueous ions that have gone through. So there are three main reasons why you could collect a greater mass of solid. The first could be excess water in the solid. In order to collect a solid, you have to get the water and aqueous ions off of it. And if you dry your solid off in an oven and you don't fully dry it, or you dry it in an evaporating dish over a Bunsen burner and you don't get rid of all the water, this will make the mass much larger. So there's too much water, it's not dry. The mass that you're collecting is including the mass of the water. Another reason could be aqueous ions on the solid. When you filtered the solution, you had solid in the same beaker with the ions. So they're just kind of floating around with the ions. And much like when you go to the beach, when you get out of the ocean, you've got aqueous salt ions on your skin. And if you don't wash them off and you dry yourself, you'll end up with salt on your skin. Same thing for our solid. It's being bathed in these aqueous salt ions, and if you don't wash them off, they will still be there when you dry the solid, and they will become solid when they are dry, and this will increase the mass. The last is there could be leftover zinc. In reaction B, she reacted the solution with zinc solid. And if there wasn't enough or the reaction didn't fully complete, there could be leftover zinc solid in your solid. And this could increase the mass of the solid because it's not accounted for in the final calculated amount in B. So there could be leftover, unreacted. It won't go through the filter because it's solid, and it'll increase the mass of your solid. And that is three reasons why there could be this additional mass.